Hello dear students, in today's class we will discuss the CSS properties of the list, means how we can apply some CSS properties inside the list. In our previous video we have discussed the how can we display the ordered list and unordered lists and how can we apply various attributes. Okay, now in this we will display some CSS properties. Okay, and how we have to use the CSS properties and what is the benefit. CSS properties are used to make the list more attractive. Okay, now we in our syllabus we have 4 properties. First one is list style. First one is list style image. With this we can set the image as a marker of the list. Okay, and next is list style position. With this we can set the position of the marker of the list inside or outside. Okay, and next is list style type. With this we can set the type of the list item marker like circle, square, decimal, lower Roman, upper Roman. We can select any type. And fourth property is list style. This property is a shorthand property. This is a shorthand property. With this we can declare all these 3 properties in a one declaration. We can define all these properties in only one declaration inside these properties. Okay, this is a benefit of these properties. It is a shorthand property for setting all of the properties for a list in one declaration. Okay, now firstly see the practical. How can we apply these properties? Firstly, I have taken heading h1 tag. Okay, then CSS properties. I want to display this heading. Then I have taken unordered list. Okay, and then inside this list I have applied style. Now what is the syntax of the CSS? Tell me. Syntax of CSS is a style is equal to, this is the syntax. Okay, we have to define the property. Okay, then colon, then value, then semicolon, then close this bracket. Okay, you can see my previous videos where we have learned about the CSS. Okay, how can we apply the CSS properties? Now this is the way to define the syntax is. Okay, next is the now define this style is equal to, then write the property name. I have used this property using this property list style type. Okay, then colon, then define the type that is square, then semicolon, then close this bracket. Then I want to display this Delhi and Chandigarh, then close this URL tag, and after saving run the program, that is run 1. It will display the output. Okay, see, this is a list item marker square. I have taken list style type is square. Okay, then this is Delhi and Chandigarh. Okay, now if I want to apply one more property, now I want to apply the list style property, that is shorthand property. Okay, then here we can apply all the properties. Now this is a list style type. Now I want to define here list style position. I want inside. Okay, and next this is a value of position inside, and next apply the list style image property. For this we have to use the URL. Okay, then bracket, then single comma, then write the image which we want to write the name of the image. I want to insert this. I want to insert this as a image marker. Okay, this is the square, so write the name of the image square square dot. I have saved this file with extension GIF. Okay, then close this bracket. Then what will happen? Save this file. After saving, refresh this file. See, this image square. Okay, this image will be set as the marker of this list item Delhi and Chandigarh. Okay, this is the functionality of inside, position of the marker. Now my marker will be positioned inside. If I used here outside, then see what will happen. See, with this list item marker will be placed outside. Okay, and with inside list item marker will be placed inside. This is the functionality of list style position. This is inside. Okay, is this clear? Now if I want to display the another list, here I want to display another list, then how can I display for this? Write the name. I want to display here ordered list. Okay, then type style is equal to, then I want to apply here list style. Okay, type. I want to apply this property list style type, then colon, then define the type. I want to define upper Roman, give the value. Okay, upper Roman, I want to define upper Roman, then semicolon, then after semicolon inverted, close these inverted commas. Okay, then after close this order list bracket, then give the name of element of the list. I want to display apple, and next is mango. Then close this list. Okay, after that close this ordered list, then save this file. After saving, I'm going to refresh this page, then see it will display this apple mango in upper Roman. Okay, now this is the way. With this you can apply various CSS properties inside your list. Now if you want to set the background color inside this property, okay, inside this apple and mango, you want to change the background color. For this you can apply another property like this. For this you can you have to write background. This is the name of the property, background. Okay, then semicolon, then red. I have read these properties in our CSS chapter. Background red, then save this file. After saving, refresh this page. It will set the background color red inside this list, because I have applied background color property inside this unordered list. Okay, that's why. Now next is nested list.